Hi, I'm Tony Crumlis. It's nice when the song has got a story behind it, and this one does. It's called What'll I Do? It's by Irving Berlin, the father of American songwriting. But he arrived in America with his family, aged just 7, a Jewish Russian immigrant, unable to speak the language, and living in poverty in New York. He later married, but sadly his wife died after only 6 months of marriage from typhoid. He then met a society beauty called Ellen Mackay, and they fell in love, but the father strongly disapproved. He was a rich property magnate in New York. He sent her away to Europe on an extended holiday, hoping she'd forget him, but she didn't. They came back, they eloped, they got married. The father didn't talk to them for 3 years. They were together for 63 years and had 4 children together. This song, What'll I Do, was written in 1923, just about the time that all this was happening. So it's almost certainly autobiographical. It's a lovely song. I'll sing it and then I'll go through all the chords. What'll I do when you are far away and I am blue? What'll I do? What'll I do when I am wondering who is kissing you? What'll I do? What'll I do with just a photograph to tell my troubles to? When I'm alone with only dreams of you that can't come true, what'll I do? La la dum da da. What'll I do with just a photograph to tell my troubles to? When I'm alone with only dreams of you that can't come true, what'll I do? Well, let's start with the difficult bit, and that is going from a C chord to an F minor chord. The easiest way to do that is by using your little finger here for the C instead of the third finger, and then putting those 2 fingers down. It's a bit of a stretch, but you can do it. There's an alternative. You can do a D minor shape at the 5th fret, but you can only play the bottom 3 strings. So struggle with this if you possibly can. So start off with C. What'll I do when F minor, U, back to C, R, G7, away, C, and I, and blue, G. What'll I do? A little turn around, D minor 7, G7, back to C. What'll I do when I am C again, wondering who, G7, I'm kissing you, G. What'll I do? A C7 to get us to the middle section. F. What'll I do? D minor with just an F again. Photograph. C. You can do that with a little finger or the third finger. An A7. I troubled. D7. Or G7, and then you can always you can use a G or a G7 all the way through if you want to, but it's nice to get that slight change. Back to C again, but I don't see F minor, only dreams of you. C again, G, what'll I do? and that's it. I finish with some harmonics at the 12th fret. You don't have to. Well, I hope you enjoyed that, found it helpful. C to F minor is not easy, but it's worth persevering with. It's a sad song in some respects, but rather beautiful, I think, and I think certainly heartfelt. Anyway, whatever you do, however you do it, have fun.